Hello, how are you? Today we have prepared a review video, so you can know more about Teds Woodworking. I have some really important warnings that I will talk throughout the video, so pay close attention so you don't make mistakes when buying Teds Woodworking products. The first thing you need to know about Teds Woodworking is, be careful with the site you are going to buy, because official products are only sold on the official site. To help you, I've left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. Do the teachings of Teds Woodworking work? And the answer is yes. There are more than 16,000 projects detailed in a simple and complete way so that you, even without knowledge in carpentry, can start and finish complete projects, detailed enough to leave nothing to guessing. Teds Woodworking already has more than 24,000 satisfied customers who have benefited from the detailed teachings and have easily made every project safe and perfect. You get detailed designs with step-by-step instructions from A to Z that make building projects super fast, super easy, and super fun. You get an exact cut list and materials for each project. You'll be able to buy exact quantities, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned money on the wrong materials or the wrong quantity. As I said, there are more than 16,000 plans available. Also, new plans are coming out every month, so this is a growing list, and you will have lifetime access to a members area where you can download these new plans every month. I will name a few of the thousands of categories that you will have access to when you purchase Teds Woodworking. You will have access to complete plans for bedding plans, bedside cabinets, bird feeders, boat plans, changing table, hanger, garage plans, cart plans, cellar plans, chair plan, trunk designs, chicken coops, children's rooms, clock plans, coffee tables, cold frame plan, compost bin, computer table, doll houses, dog houses, door projects, wooden toys, wagon designs, wind power generator, windmills, and much more. Teds Woodworking has the most complete carpentry package currently available on the market. If after purchasing you feel it is not the most complete carpentry resource you have ever seen, just email me and I will refund 100% of your money. No questions asked. I remind you again that to safely buy the original product, I left just below this video the official link for you to buy all the teachings of Teds Woodworking. Be sure you're buying on the official site to ensure the benefits of warranty. And also do not forget to dedicate and follow all the teachings step by step. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.